Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm in a very interesting city, and the name of the city is called Normal. And I don't know what's abnormal, but this is the city called Normal, and it's in Illinois, a couple of hours away from Chicago. And I found this coffee shop, and I just went into the coffee shop, and I found something very interesting, which is like the stuff which I like to do, which is making new friends. So let me show you what I found when I walked into the store. So I saw their t-shirt, and the t-shirt says making friends one cup at a time. Okay. And then there's
Or it's one of the languages we don't have on file.
Right.
It's not normal. Then again,
there it is. It's a very nice coffee shop where you can come in and hang out, and it's called the Coffee Shop. Very, very simple, and I love it. And then they have a open mic every weekend where you can come in and sing, dance, comedy, or whatever else you want. I think they also sell these called coffees, and you can just have a coffee here. They have gluten-free stuff if you're into that, or if you're like baklava, they have that. And this is the coffee shop. Let me tell you what's interesting about it. So since they're into making friends, I asked them if I could do something with them. And one of the things we're setting up is a friend of mine has come up with these cameras which we will use to set up big screen TVs and these wide angle cameras on them. And what that will do is it will allow this coffee shop to be connected to the owner of another coffee shop in Chicago or another coffee shop anywhere in the world. And we're calling it Coffee TV. But that is with one F instead of two F's. So that is coffee.tv, and where you can just pop in and have a conversation and make new friends. And the idea is that when you're having a coffee and there's somebody on the other side having coffee and they're having an interesting conversation, you say, oh, I wonder what they're saying. So here's an option where you're actually talking, and you press the broadcast button, and then you will be hearing what people are actually saying on the Facebook wall using a Facebook Live. Now this is an alpha right now. It's working, but it's an alpha. It's under testing. It's not working so well, but it will eventually get there. And the website is coffee.tv. You can check it out. And hopefully the owner of this coffee shop in Normal, Illinois would be the first ones to sign up on Coffee TV. And I have proposed that somehow we can partner and make more new friends, because my goal, as you know, is to reach 1 million Facebook followers on my Facebook. And hopefully this town, which is a very, very small college town, it has South Illinois University here, very, very buzzing town. You can hear the train, and you can see the train right there. Can you see the train going by? So this is a nice little college town, and I'm hoping that for Global Planet, we will all be connected to friends from around the globe and start making global companies, global things, because we're all interconnected through the internet. So you might as well start global companies, and what better to start than a small college town where people can actually start building companies, having friends from around the globe. So if you haven't made a new friend yet over coffee, go to your nearest coffee shop, buy a coffee, and say hi to a stranger and see if you can make them friend, or just friend one of my friends and start talking to them and see how you can collaborate, and eventually collaborate with each other and know each other, because unless we know each other, we'll start hating each other, and then we will bomb each other maybe. Anyway, so all the best. Thank you to the owners of the coffee shop. And if you're in Normal, Illinois, definitely come in and hang it there. This is what a college town is like. And you can see all the girls walking by, and the boys, and they're just being there. They're just chilling, having having a calzone or a pizza.